Puri, the sacred kingdom of Lord Jagannath, where thousands of devotees echo prayer for the divine. It is more than just a destination. It represents a journey of faith that binds devotees to a spiritual rhythm that never fades. But this tale is not about Puri. Today, we are on the streets of Puri to ask people about the sacred threads that adorn the holy deity they have come to catch a glimpse of.
तो आपण केते वर्ष हेलाणी पुरी आसुचंती
लास्ट 20 30 20 वर्ष ହେଲା ପୁରୀ ଆସୁଛୁ
ଗତ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଏଇଟା ଆସୁଛି ମୋତେ ପ୍ରାୟ 8-10 ବର୍ଷ ଆସୁଛି
କହିପାରିବି ବହୁତ ସବୁବେଳେ ପ୍ରାୟ ବର୍ଷକୁ ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ଥରେ ଦିଥର
ଆମେ ତ ପ୍ରାୟ ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ ଆସୁ
We then proceed to ask them about the mesmerizing divine attire of Lord Jagannath.
जो बड़ सिंहार बेश जो महाप्रभु पिंधती सेटा कोठी तैयारी हुए आपण जानिचंती कि
ସରି ଜାଣିନି
ଏତେଟା ମୋର ଭଲ ନଲେଜ ନାହିଁ
ଠିକରେ ଜାଣିନି
And so, we arrive in the twin villages of Maniabandha and Nuapatna. Two small villages of looms in Odisha, where families have kept alive one of India's oldest weaving traditions for centuries. Here, weaving is not just a profession, it is the air they breathe. Every day, the beautiful deity of Lord Jagannath in Puri is dressed in Khandua Pato, made by the weavers of Nuapatna and Maniabandha. In these twin villages, almost every house has a loom. Weaving is not a hobby, it is inheritance, centuries old.
हाँ बापा वो कम कुदरा आम जाई तंतरे पटे पटे पके पके शिखिलु आस्ते आस्ते शिखला परे त मन को काम आस्ते आस्ते धरलु और जोटा जोटी बांधा बसादा बसाई हम काम चालू करलु हम घर तंत बजे हम तंतु देखी बांधा देखी ए डिजाइनटा बसिबो ए टिपटा धरा हबो ए बळा कहियार हम सेई बळा काम आरंभ करलु आपण
The history of these two villages stretches back to 12th century when Buddhist monks settled by the Mahanadi. They brought discipline and meditation which merged into the art of weaving. For centuries, the Buddhists have been weaving the sacred Khandua cloth for Lord Jagannath. Faith divided by religion but united by threads that do not ask their religion.
ଠାକୁରଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଭେଦଭାବ କ'ଣ ଆମ ଜୀବିକା ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଦେଲା ବୁଦ୍ଧ ମନ୍ଦିର ବୁଦ୍ଧ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ବି ବୁଣିକି ଦବୁ ଯୋଉ ଠାକୁର ହେଲେ ବୁଣିକି ଦବୁ ଆମ ଜୀବିକା ପରା ଏଇଟା
The unique bandha process is what makes the style of weaving stand out. The design is tied into the yarn even before the weaving begins, as it is tie and dye on threads, not cloth. One mistake can ruin days of work, yet every weaver here knows the patterns by memory. Hence, the process is learnt by the weavers like a second language.
तार फॉर्मूला होसी एटा ताको हमें ग्राफ रे आगे केते स्क्वायर रे बसिबो तापर सेटिंग कर साला पर सूता को हिसाब कर सूता को हिसाब कर पर ताको केते इंच रे बसिबो केते लंबा रहबो ताको हम इचु सेटिंग करला पर ताको डिजाइन स्टार्ट कर
The journey of the sari begins long before the first thread meets the loom. It starts with bandha, the ancient art of tie and dye. On plain yarn, artisans carefully mark and tie intricate designs using cotton threads. These tiny knots resist the dye, revealing delicate patterns once the threads are colored. Through several rounds of dyeing and drying, every color finds its place, layer by layer, shade by shade. The dyed yarns are then wound into small spools called bobbins using the traditional charkha. Each bobbin is fitted into a wooden shuttle, gliding back and forth across the loom, weaving color into form. On the handloom, the magic unfolds as warp meets weft, patterns appear, and what was once thread becomes a story in silk and cotton. But the world moves faster than the loom. Machine-printed saris mimic ikat, selling cheap. Weavers cannot compete with art that takes weeks on a loom and is undercut in minutes with machines.
मेसिन तो केवल कपड़ा होची साड़ी तो है कोन बेसी तथापि साड़ी एबे हेलाणी किंतु ता दाम तो बहुत कम रहउची एबे आपण जानि परबेनी मेसिनरी तयारी हेची ना एटा प्रिंट तयारी प्रिंट इकतटा आपण जानि परबेनी एबे बाहर मार्केट रे बहुत प्रिंट साड़ी आसलानी जोटा 400 टंका जा दाम 4500 टंका जेतले मार्केट में आमे एग्जीबिशन रे जाऊ से मान कोन 450 टंका रे मिलुची आपण काहे केते रेट कहउछंती ना सेही प्रिंट एका जिंस एका छापा आपण एते रेट काहे कहउछंती आमे जते बुझेले मध्ये गोटे बाहर बुझी पारुनी किंतु जते जानुची जे तार ऊपर कोन पछपट कोन ताको बहुत गुडे बुझियार अछि बुझेला पर मध्ये से जानि पारले जे नै एटा गोटे हैंडलूम जे एते रेट काहे की 400 टंका 4000 की 3000 एते रेट एते फरक सेठी बुझिया को बहुत कष्ट हो लोक माने ठीक से बुझी पाना एटा बड़ समस्या वर्तमान हैंडलूम सेक्टर.
Yet, the twin villages of Maniabandha and Nuapatna refuse to die. Cooperatives, societies, and designers help distribute these saris in metro cities and premier institutions. Some families even try innovating with colors and motifs, while the others focus on traditions. For Maniabandha and Nuapatna, the loom isn't a choice. It is more than just work. It is survival, identity, and heritage woven into thread. Ultimately, more than everything, for the villagers, weaving is a fight against being forgotten.
ଏଇଟା ମୋର ହାତର କାହାଣୀ
ଏଇଟା ମୋର ଗାଁର କାହାଣୀ
एटा मोर परंपरार कहानी
एटा मोर तंतर
କାହାଣୀ